We just spoke to a brand that I reckon spending between 10 and 20 million quid a year on paid media, so quite a lot. You could probably describe them as a household name. Got on a call with them. They were intrigued about our performance intelligence thing, and the guy was like, do you want me to give you the state of affairs? So he gave me the state of affairs of all their paid media and everything and all their numbers, and he had all the numbers. He showed me the spreadsheet, and he just said, yeah, and we've had these problems and these problems and numbers. And in probably 45 minutes this rant went on for. Really knowledgeable, really smart guy with a really good team at the brand he works at. And he didn't mention conversion tracking once, and I'd audited his site before I went on. And after all that, he was like, so look, a lot of information, but what do you think? And I was like, I think your conversion tracking's broken, mate. And he was like, no, it's not. We've got like an entire team. They report to me every week. I was like, mate, it's broken. I showed him screen share, showed him, I was like, it's broken there. There's about 17 critical issues, and the setup that you do have is a bog standard setup, because it's probably been done by your web developers. And he was like, what do you mean bog standard? I was like, it's done through Tag Manager.
Yeah.
It's just bog standard. It's not server side. It's just, it requires a browser handshake, which means the server side isn't really server side. And he was just like, he got all his team on this meeting straight away. He was like, tell them what you just told me, show them. And they were just like, anyway, we went and did a huge audit for this brand. And we've audited everything, not just the paid media tracking, because there's all sorts of stuff that does tracking on your website that can conflict, like clarity or whatever it is, other things that monitor the performance of your website and want to track stuff, Klaviyo, for example. And all this stuff just combines and adds up and adds in all this redundant code and conflicts with everything else. And then you're sending all that data to the ad platforms. And the ad platforms are getting all these mixed messages, and they don't have a really clear idea who your core customer is.